Welcome to my video on my dual portafilter stand. I've 3D printed the stand for my espresso machine. I have a bottomless portafilter and one with 2 outlets, and they fit together in this stand. Stand has a nice logo at the bottom. It turned out very well in the 3D printing process. My print was with 50% infill and 0.2 millimeters of layer height, and I think this print turned out really good. Heat is not an issue for me, so the stand is really fits really perfect for my espresso machine. Thanks for watching.